Look at them, look at you.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, go back to Fashion Dial. I'm out, y'all, and about. I've been out all day. I feel like I'm on dummy missions. So I went to Once Upon a Child because I'm still in the process of decluttering. Y'all know in the last vlog I went to Plato's Closet. So I had 3 bags to drop off at Once Upon a Child, and I think they said they'll be done with my stuff tomorrow, so I have to, you know, pick up tomorrow. I dropped 1 bag off at Plato's Closet. They told me an hour. And I have a bike in the back because I thought they would take the bike. They said they don't take any bikes with chains on them. They be having these different rules. It's so stupid. And they don't take car seats. So whatever, I'm just gonna donate the car seats or sit it out on the curb. I might try to sell a bike or just give it away. I haven't decided yet. But at the moment, y'all, I'm at Raising Cane's. We finally got one that's like nearby. Just put one in Canton. So the line long, let me show y'all. So as y'all can see, the line is way down there. It's giving Chick-fil-A vibes right now. So I just hope the food is good. A 4-piece, it's a $16 for. God damn, little expensive. So she will get 2. She ain't gonna get full off no 2 extra fingers. So the kids combo with the fries, just get her 2 extra chicken fingers. They charge you for the sauce. Which one is that? What number was that? I don't really remember. Hi. I think we were looking at the 6-piece combo. Yeah, that was it.
It comes with 2 sauce, a toast, fries, and a 6-piece slaw. But if you'd like to switch out the coleslaw for something else, there's no upcharge.
Extra fries or something?
Extra fries, second order for you.
Okay, I'm gonna have the same thing, but I'm gonna keep the coleslaw, and then I'm gonna do the kids combo, but add 2 extra fingers. I think I seen something like that. Yeah.
Did you want to do the box combo for that one?
What kind of drink you want? You have lemonade? This is why I don't like leaving the house. When you leave the house, you spend money. I go get Lunchables and a pack of bacon, low sodium bacon at that, and I paid $15. Like, what the hell?
Tea?
Yes.
Alrighty, give me 1 second. I'll be back with your drink.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. These are extra fingers.
Hey, babe, you want to eat now?
This one, girl.
You got extra chicken. Come here. It's some sauce if you want to try something new.
You don't want to get
you got a little toy.
Tea?
Yeah.
There you go. Sorry
Okay,
about that.
thank you. You too. Here. Here, babe. You mine's right with the coleslaw?
Yeah.
In my sauce?
Yeah.
I hope they lemonade good. I got a lemonade, the 6-piece chicken tender, and what else? Coleslaw and fries, and I think they said it come with bread. Fries mediocre. I'm about to try it before I go in there. So the sauce, I don't know. This what the sauce look like. This what the sauce look like. I don't know if it's like spicy or what. Oh, this chicken hot, but if y'all can see that. Okay, that's different. That bread good. Okay. Oh, I gotta try the lemonade right quick. Ooh, that chicken's hot. One thing about the chicken, I just feel like my chicken could have been fried a little harder because I can taste like the softness of the batter. Ooh, what's a lot going on, y'all? Lemonade, 7 out of 10. Chick-fil-A still got the best. So I went to Once Upon a Child and we made $71 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 cents. And then from Plato's Closet, we made like $9 and some change, y'all. I forgot how much the change was. So we made a little coins, but these places be so picky. They took like, I don't know if I told y'all, they took most of my Shein stuff, and the Shein stuff that I gave them was like brand new stuff, like stuff I literally just got. I was playing this puppy keep game. I don't know if y'all familiar with that on, if y'all familiar with that. Oh, Shein. Yeah, my daughter said Shein, but if you play and get a free prize, and one was an outfit, but the outfit wasn't flattering, so I just gave it away. Oh, excuse me. All right, I gotta go.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name.
So it's a few days later. I wanted to show y'all these ND filters that I got from Amazon. So these are lenses for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I just want to see if y'all can notice the difference, because I wanted to do this in natural lighting. I did get it from Amazon, so it will be linked below. If you want to shop it, you can shop it through my Amazon storefront. And the lenses are, oh my god, the lenses are thin. Oh, it's magnetic. This one's stuck together. Oh, so strong. God. Okay, so this one is, I don't think it had a number on this one. I don't know. This one, let's see. Tell me if you can see the difference. This one is supposed to work good when you're like outside and you're exposed to a lot of sunlight. This will minimize that. This is, it says CPL lens. Oh, y'all, I ain't got my nails done, so it look like this. This one is the ND64. I don't have my glasses on, but this one gives you like a little darker tint. And this is by Newer, the brand Newer. This one is ND 256. That's real dark. And then this one is, this one I probably won't be using, the ND16. Let me see. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I like this one, the ND16. So yeah, this will bring down the exposure on your camera. I have to keep playing with them, but so far I do like 3 out of 4. One of them is like really dark. I have to see what that looks like with my light on my camera and see how that works. But other than that, yeah. So like I said, it'll be linked below if you're interested. I just wanted to show y'all that, and yeah, I'll be back. What's up, y'all? Good morning. So I kind of have some good news I want to share with y'all. So I don't know if you, for the ones who've been following me, y'all know that I have fibroids, and I've been talking about getting surgery and trying to figure out like what would be best for me. I kind of want to get a hysterectomy, but then again, I don't. But I feel like the hysterectomy will be the best surgery for me, only because I don't want to risk the chance of it coming back and having to continue to deal with it. But also the downtime, I was told I would have to be off work for like 6 weeks, and that's just unrealistic for me, because y'all know I am the, you know, the provider of my home. I don't have like extra income from, you know, I only count on my job. Like my job pay my bills, social media don't pay my bills. It's gonna be real over here. So, you know, I have to work. Can't take off and take any downtime, so that kind of sucks. So I am going with a different surgery. So basically, y'all, I have well, it says I have 3 fibroids, but she so I have 3 up here. I don't think I have 3. A matter of fact, because what she explained, I think she just wrote this down. I have multiple little fibroids on each side of my uterus, because I seen like the image of it. And then, y'all, I meant to say I have a fibroid pushing out in the middle. What I have is right here, and she don't know if it's a fibroid or a polyp, so she want to remove that. She said that it is like pushing out my uterus, and I can kind of like feel a little pain down there as well, so I need to hurry up and get that removed. What else? Oh, y'all. So due to me having this fibroid or polyp growing out, it pushed my IUD out, so I had to get her x-ray for that, for them to make sure that it wasn't in me. So we didn't find it. So she said she think that maybe because I have, you know, I have heavy bleeding due to fibroids, so she thinking that it may have just passed through. So that's kind of like what I'm dealing with, y'all. I do be in a little pain, really ridiculous, but I'm glad that I'll be having surgery next month. So it's just a little in and out procedure, so it doesn't require me to have any downtime. So I think I can go back to work. I can go back to work, I believe, after the procedure. I will make sure, of course, to make sure I don't have like any restrictions, but I think I'll be good. So I'm definitely going to go back the next day. Cause yeah, your girl can't miss a bag. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I just want to update y'all on that. That is good news to me. It's April the 2nd. And it's raining, it's cold. Had to bring the winter coats back out. This weather, Michigan weather, is a joke as always. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be in the house just chilling today because it's a rainy day. I did want to get out and run some errands, but it's cold and it's raining, so I think I'm gonna stay in. I'm gonna try again tomorrow, but I'm thinking this whole week it said nothing but rain. I'm like, what's going on, baby? But it's cool. It's cool. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I decided to end this vlog here. I'm not going to make this video too long. I want to start on another vlog, and that vlog kind of going to be dragged out. So y'all might get that vlog next week sometime. I'm thinking that one might be like a 30-minute vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog. I do appreciate it if you subscribe. That is showing support to my channel. I am trying to grow over here, and it is very hard to grow on YouTube. I kind of feel like I've been stuck at a certain space with YouTube for quite some time, and I'm just over it. I'm ready to grow and see some growth on my channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, like I said, you can show your support by clicking that subscribe button. Any items that I talked about in my video, like the ND filters, will be linked below in the description box. I do like them. I have been playing with them more, so I cannot wait to like really get out there in the sunset and try my new filters and see what the quality is looking like. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.